action. So, after discussing the tips, strategies, and even the vocab that we have discussed earlier, and absolutely, we have to fully understand the picture. We don't have to forget, Ali, that we have 25 seconds to understand the image completely. Then I have 40 seconds to fully describe the image. Now, I think this picture is not that hard. It is really easy. So I'm going to give you the chance to try to take a look at this picture and to speak about this picture. I know that we have 25 seconds to prepare and 40 seconds to speak the pictures or the picture out, but I'm not going to specify any time for you, Ali, because as we said, because we are in the beginning, we have to practice. After that, absolutely, we have to learn how to stick with the time. Okay?
Yeah.
So what do you think, Ali? What can you see in this picture?
Okay, so here on this
Sorry.
yeah,
Mm.
here on this
Okay, wait, Ali.
on
Don't forget that we have 25 seconds to take a look at the picture. Please exploit. This is 25 seconds and take a look at the picture, please. Okay?
yeah.
When you feel that you are ready
Yeah.
to speak, please, you can start speaking if you are ready.
Yeah, so we have here on this picture, I have here on this picture a student apartment.
Mhm.
Um, on this student apartment, we have one bedroom and one living area and one bathroom and one kitchen. And so describe this image. So this image they are talking on the student apartment, yeah?
Mhm.
Sorry, can you explain to me what meaning this for this this image?
Okay. What can you see in this image, Ali?
I see here on this image we have a student apartment.
Mhm.
On this student apartment we have bathroom
Uh-huh.
we have
Okay.
um, living area, we have bathroom, kitchen, and uh, three windows.
Uh-huh. Thank you so much. Okay.
Yeah, and we have entrance.
Entrance. Okay. Now let me ask you this question, Ali. If you want to start speaking, I have to start speaking from where?
We start from the entrance.
Exactly, absolutely.
Yeah,
Okay. I cannot start talking about bedroom, for example. Then I have to talk about living area, then to skip to talk about the kitchen. All the time, you have to ask yourself, as if, Ali, you want to rent this apartment. Okay. Now, if you
yeah,
want to rent this, let's imagine that I want to tell you that I have an apartment. You are looking for a certain apartment to rent, and I told you that I have a certain apartment to rent. Now you want me, Ali, to describe this apartment to you. If it is okay, absolutely you will rent this apartment. But if it is not, you will not rent this apartment.
exactly.
Okay. Now let's imagine that you want to describe the apartment for me. Now it is me who want to rent the apartment. You have an apartment and you want to describe it for me because absolutely if I like the apartment, I have to rent it. Okay. First of all, I have to start with the entrance of the apartment. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. After that, Ali, I have to talk about directions. I have to talk about right, left. I have to talk about north. I have to talk about south, east, west. Because absolutely, for example, you have to tell me that on the left side, we have a table with four chairs, for example, and one coach. Now, if you want to take a look at the right side, you can see something. Okay?
Yeah.
So this is exactly what you have to do.
Okay.
Okay. Can you try again?
Yeah. So we have here the student apartment. Um, we'll start with the entrance.
Mm-hmm.
So on the left hand, so you can see the living room with four chairs and one table. As well, we have the couch, and on the right hand, you can see the windows for the living room, and after that, you can go in and you can see on the left side as well, you can see the bedroom with yeah, you can see the bedroom and this bedroom for two-person. Uh, and after the bedroom, you can go straight and you can see the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
After the kitchen on the left side, you can see the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this is the and as well on the bedroom, I forgot to tell you on the bedroom we have like two windows for
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
inside the room. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you so much, Ali. I know that you tried. First of all, Ali, you said living room. Is it a room?
living area. Sorry.
It's not a room. So I know that this bedroom, it's a room. And absolutely, I can see the borders. This is room, but this is not a room. So I don't have to say living room. I have to say living area.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Now, if you want to come from the entrance on the left side, we can see a table, a big table with four chairs and one coach. Now, if you want to move to the right side, what is this?
chair and table.
Yeah, exactly. But what kind of table? This table is for what? For
It's for
eating,
student table,
for studying table, or maybe for
studying
work.
table.
So it is what? It is an office.
Yeah,
So I have to say that on the right side, we can see an office with a table and a chair. Okay?
yeah.
So this is it. Now, if I want to go straight, I can see the kitchen immediately. Okay? Now, the question
Okay.
is, Ali, what is it in the kitchen?
We have on the kitchen, we have oven and fridge,
Uh-huh. We have one oven and one
one
fridge.
oven and one fridge. Yeah,
Exactly. I have to say the number of the things that I have. Okay?
yeah.
Okay. Now, this is straight on the kitchen. Now, where should I go? Should I go right or left?
After the kitchen, we should go on the
Not
left,
Ali, not after the kitchen, on the it is about the right of the kitchen or the left of the kitchen.
the right of the kitchen.
Okay, the right of the kitchen. Wait, I think you said, Ali, on the left side of the kitchen, there is a bedroom. This is not left, this is right. Okay, this is left. So when you started speaking, you said that on the left side, we have a bedroom. Please be careful
Yeah,
about the direction because any mistake of the directions, absolutely, you will lose some marks. Okay?
yeah.
Now, on the right side of the kitchen, we have a bedroom. What is it in the bedroom?
Yeah, we have one bed.
Okay. Ali, you said one bed for two-person. You said earlier one bed for two-person. Now, what is the plural of person, Ali?
For two persons.
No, it's not persons, it is people. Don't
For
say
two
persons.
people.
One guy is one person. But two, you have to say two people, not two persons. Persons is wrong, please. Okay?
Okay.
This is informal and you have to be formal. So we can say that the bed is for two people. Okay. Now, what is it on the left side of the kitchen?
Bed. We have on the left side of the kitchen bedroom.
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I remember, Ali, you said on the left hand. It's not on the left hand, it is on the right, on the left side. Okay?
Yeah.
So please be careful. Okay. You said then, okay, as we said, so please be careful about the mistakes because I have to be careful about the vocab and I have to be careful about the grammar because grammar is really important. Okay?
Yeah.
So describing an image as if you are describing something for me, I don't know. So all the time, if it is a room or an area, for example, you have to keep in mind that it is as if I'm describing this area or this room to someone I don't know, or even that person doesn't know the room. So be careful about the description. Okay, so this is a drawing. To be honest, drawing is the easiest task in the PTE exam. Now let's talk about this one. What do you think about this chart? I want you to take a look at this chart and take your time to fully understand this chart, this bar chart or column chart.
So what the meaning claimed uh, claimedly?
Climate. Okay? It is a
Yeah.
climate. Wait, let me show you the meaning of this word. Climate, if it is rainy, snowy, if it is sunny, for example, okay, the climate in a certain area. So it, I mean, if the area is raining, for example, so it is raining. If it is sunny, if it is windy, if it is cloudy, stormy. So this is the meaning of the climate. By the way, I have to write the word just to show you the exact meaning of climate. No, not climate, but climate. So this is the meaning of the climate. First of all, I have to show you the pronunciation of this word,
climate,
and let's check its meaning. So it is about the weather conditions. Okay?
Yeah.
So if it is rainy, as I told you, snowy, cloudy, or something like that. So the weather in this area, the weather in the Great Lakes area, absolutely in the USA.
Rainfall or rainfall.
Rainfall, the amount of rain. Okay?
Yeah.
And here we have what?
Temperature.
Temperature, exactly, Celsius. Okay? Not Fahrenheit, but it is Celsius.
Okay, and we have the month here, so we can see January,
Exactly.
February, March, April,
Exactly.
May
From January to December.
to December.
Uh-huh. Exactly.
So yeah, we see here like the rainfall on January
Mm-hmm.
start the temperature from 20%.
20% temperature? Is it temperature?
No, 20 cell,
It is what?
20
20. Okay. Don't say 20, Ali. 20 is informal. You have to say 20.
yeah,
Okay. Okay. 20 what?
the temperature less than 20.
Ah, less than 20. Okay. Ali, this is the amount of rainfall. Okay. The amount of rain. The
Yeah,
amount of water. Ah, yes. Millimeters. Okay.
millimeters. Okay,
Uh-huh. And this is temperature. So we have minus 20 to 20 plus 20. Okay.
okay. So we can see on January the rainfall like millimeter from less than 20,
Mm-hmm.
and the start goes up on February, March, April, May, and we
Okay.
can see here.
Ali, is it here? Do we have increase? I think that approximately we have the same amount of rain. So we can notice that January, February, March, April, approximately we have the same amount of rain. It is approximately 20 millimeters. So we don't have rising up. The rising up starts from May. Okay?
Yeah,
So I don't care about this line. I have to take a look at the amount of rain that we have here. So we notice that from January to April, the amount of rain still approximately, it is not exactly, is still the same. Okay?
yeah,
Now we can notice that the amount of rain starts rising up from May. It reaches its peak in these 2 months. Then the amount of rain starts going down or starts decreasing gradually to reach the minimum approximately in these 2 months. Then by the end of the year, which is December, we can notice that the amount of rain is approximately the same of the beginning of the year. Now let's talk about temperature, Celsius. We notice that the temperature is minus 10 in these 2 months in the beginning of the year, still stable till April. Then the temperature
going.
starts exactly going up to reach the highest, the peak, which is plus 15 or 15 Celsius. Okay, in July. Absolutely, the temperature starts going down till reaching the end of the year and absolutely the beginning till reaching April.
Yeah.
Okay? So be careful about the amount because I know that here we have a line, but this line doesn't denote the amount of rain. I'm not talking about this line, but I'm talking here about these columns, the amount of rain that we have. Okay? So approximately the amount of rain is still the same until the month of April. Okay? After that, in the beginning of April, absolutely the amount starts rising up. Okay?
Yeah.
So as we said, I have to be careful. And keep in mind that this line is about what, Ali?
This line,
This green line. This is about what?
the temperature.
Exactly. So this is it. Okay?
Yeah.
Now let me give you a chance. Can you please describe the image again?
Okay. So on this climate chart graph, so graph, so we can see can right or no?
This is a climate.
Okay, this is a climate graph.
This
So
this climate graph. Okay.
this is a climate graph.
Mhm.
So we can see the rainfall millimeter
Mhm.
and the temperature. So on January until April, we can see here the same from January until April, we can see the same the the rainfall or the millimeter, it's same,
Is the same. Okay. Is approximately the same.
approximately same. And on May, we can see the goes up
We can see the what, Ali? The amount
the
of rain.
rainfall,
We can see the rainfall or the amount of rain.
the amount of rain goes up.
Uh-huh.
And on June and July, we can see it as well, like reach the peak,
The peak. Yes.
reach the
Re-
peak,
Mhm.
almost reach the peak. And after that, on August and September,
Mhm.
goes down the raining, or the amount of the raining goes down.
Mhm.
And on October and November, October, November, and December, so the end of the year, so we can see the raining goes down, and the temperature like minus 15, minus 10 approximately.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. Ali, what is the preposition that I have to use with months? Is it on or in?
On January.
It is in.
In January.
Exactly. So the preposition with months is in, but not on.
Okay.
Okay. So be careful, please. Absolutely. The preposition is really important. By the way, we can notice that the rainy months are these. These are the rainy months from May to September. But these these months are not rainy. Now we are not rainy that much. I'm talking about from October to April. Approximately, we can see that the amount of rain is the same, approximately the same. But we can notice that from May to September, I have to notice that these are the rainy months. This is the rainy season. Okay?
Yeah.
Absolutely. We need to practice a little more. Now, let me show you this graph. What do you think about this graph?
Energy
Consumption.
consumption,
Mhm. It is from consume. Okay? Consume is to consume something. Do you know the
consumption. Yeah.
consumption? Yes. Do you know the meaning of consumption or consume?
No.
Okay, I have to show you the meaning. Absolutely. You have to learn new vocab every day, Ali, just to be able to understand the graph. So consumption or consume. Consume is a verb, is to, for example, eat something, or if you are eating, let me say that if you are eating, it is eat, drink something, or absolutely, it's about food or drink. So if you have food, for example, now I have to say I'm consuming the food. Okay? If you have,
Consuming.
oh yes, consume. It is consumption. Okay?
Yeah.
And if you, it's about energy, so I'm consuming energy. For example, if you want to pay the bill about electricity by the end of every month, Ali, absolutely, the
Yeah.
bill depends on the consumption of electricity you consume every month. Okay?
Okay.
So this is the meaning of consume. Okay, so energy consumption, the usage or the using of energy in this date, which is 2007. Okay?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And we can see on this chart,
Wait,
sorry, this graph.
have you fully checked the image and the chart, Ali?
No.
Please, as we said, we have to spend the 25 seconds to take a look at every single detail in the picture. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah, so on this graph, we can see North America and South America,
Mm-hmm.
and we can see the percentage of total,
Mm-hmm.
and we can see on the green or no nuclear,
Mm-hmm.
oil, cola, hydro hydroelectric, and natural gas.
Okay. This is what, Ali?
Coal,
Coal. Exactly. Do you know the meaning of coal?
no.
I have to check its meaning. Absolutely, I have to learn vocabs just to be able to understand the graph. Let me try to check this language and let me choose the language that I have to translate concerning your mother language, which is this. Okay, coal is a source of energy. Coal. Wait. It's not. What is this? I need the Arabic language. This is it. So this is, wait, what is wrong with it? Yes. Okay. This is the meaning of coal. Okay.
فاهم. Okay.
Exactly. A source of energy. Let me show you the meaning of. Do you know the meaning of nuclear?
Nuclear.
Uh-huh.
I think the
I have to know the meanings. Okay. This is the meaning of nuclear. Okay. Again.
Nuclear.
okay.
Okay.
Nuclear.
And this is what, Ali?
Hydro
Uh-huh.
electricity,
Electric.
electric.
Not electricity. I don't have ITY, but I have only IC. So I have to say what? Hydroelectric. Okay.
Yeah.
And here we have gas. So the sources of energy that we have nuclear, oil, coal, hydroelectric, sorry, and we have gas. So these are the sources of energy. Okay. And this is the percentage of consumption this energy in this date. Absolutely. I have two areas. I have North America and South America. So it is really important to fully understand the image, Ali. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, is the image clear? Or you need me to explain more about this image?
Yeah, if you can just explain because yeah.
Okay. So here we have percentage. Okay. For example, 50 percentage of consumption this source of energy. And here we have 45, 40. This is the percentage of consumption of energy. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's talk about the consumption of nuclear. What is the percentage of consumption of nuclear in South America?
In South America, we have the consumption uh, of the energy. It's like 9%,
It's 9. While in South America, the consumption of nuclear is
1%.
only 1%. Now let's talk about oil. Let's talk about the consumption of oil in these two places. What are the percentages that we have?
Yeah, the consumption of oil on North America, it's like 41%,
Mhm.
and on South America, it's 45%.
Exactly. How can I read this word, Ali?
South,
South. Exactly. Okay.
yeah,
Now we can notice that the amount of consumption of oil in these two places approximately they are the same. Okay. Only the difference that we have is only 40%. So we notice that we have approximately, I'm not talking about exactly, the same amount of consumption concerning oil in these two places or areas, which are North and South America. Now, what
yeah,
about coal?
yeah. On the consumption of coal
Mhm.
on North America, it's like 20%, and in South, it's America, and it's 5%.
It's only 5. Thank you so much. Okay, now hydroelectric in 2007.
Yeah, the hydroelectric on North America, it's like 5%, but on South America is 28%. So it's very high on
Yeah, thank you. I
the
have to
high.
say that it is really higher. Okay, exactly. I
Yeah,
have to say it's higher, it's not that high. They are the same, they are equal. There is a big difference. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. So much. Wait, Ali, what is the preposition that I have to use with the places? For example, is it in Lebanon or on Lebanon?
on Lebanon.
It is in Lebanon. With the places, I have to say in. Okay? In
Okay.
America, in Australia, in Lebanon. So with countries, I have to use the preposition in. With months, I have to use the preposition in June, in July, in January. Okay, months. So, okay, Ali,
Yeah,
we have in. So please be careful because the preposition is really important. And we have an approximate percentage, not that big difference. Okay?
yeah. The natural gas on in North America
Mhm.
is 25%,
Mhm.
but in South America is 21%. Approximately is the same.
Not, yes,
Um,
exactly. Or I can say it is little lower than North America. Okay. We notice
yeah,
that South America, depending on oil, or let me say that North America, depending on oil, it is little lower than South America in consuming oil source of energy. Okay.
yeah,
So this is it. Please be careful. This graph is not that hard. It is easy. So the most important thing, Ali, I have to fully understand the graph.